anything, directly you can click that icon. That is more than enough. If you click that icon, it will open the command prompt window automatically. That is Jupyter Notebook command prompt window. This Jupyter Notebook command prompt window, this is we can say this is a server. This is a backend server. Maybe if you are close this one, Python code will be disconnected. That is the problem. So don't close this one. Just you can minimize this one. It is running in a backend. And maybe this is the web page of the home page of the Jupyter Notebook. If you are seeing this home page, you're thinking like this is a normal website. This is like a website. It is opened in my Google Chrome. Of course, whatever in your system, whatever the default browser you are setting, in that browser it will be open. For example, if you have Mozilla, it will be open in that. So I set my default browser for all my openings with the Google Chrome. That is the reason it is opened in the Google Chrome. Now you can see this is the local host. That means it is working in a local machine only. We are not connected with any of the external server. We installed in our PC and we are running through the server through our PC. We are not connected with our external server. That is the meaning of if you don't have the internet also you can work on it. Actually, internet is nothing here because if you don't have internet, this is not a website. This is like a server. This is like your environment server. So we don't need internet to run this one. In an offline also you can run as it is here. And people will ask like, what is this logout and what is it quit? Of course, this is not important for you because we are not logging in. We are not logging out any of this product. So this is also nothing here. Don't focus on this like quit and logout. Leave it. And if you can see it here, it is like a local host 8888888. That is like a local machine. We are not connected with any website. And if you can see it here, there is like several my computer folder. These are like it is accessing like my computer folders. All the computer folders it is accessing. It is not any harmful because it is working like locally. So don't be panic. It will access all your computer folders. Then you can check it here. Maybe this is by default it will open in a C drive. By default it will be C drive, open in a C drive. And you can see this is like an Anaconda 3. So in your future, all the installations, all the Python related installations, maybe some library installation, everything will be loaded here. Everything will be located in this drive. Okay, Anaconda 3. Okay, now I want to work desktop, documents, or maybe OneDrive. How your computer is partitioned. You can see that computer partition here. Maybe I want to work in the desktop, or maybe if I want to go to the documents, I will click this one. I'm going to creating like a desktop. You can see here, my path is, this is the root path. From the root path, I came into the desktop. Maybe on the desktop, I have several folders. You can see I have like an assignments. There are like several folders I have. Okay, coding test. Like this, I have like a new folders. This is the folders I have. Maybe I want to go to the PyTest. Then I click this one. Now you can see my path from the main folder, main root folder. I came into the desktop. Under the desktop, I am going into the PyTest. Maybe if I want to go like in a more inside into the another folder, maybe I will click it here. This is my path. Okay, in this path, we have all these things are like my functions. Now, my interest is here. I want to come back. Maybe I want to go back. Then I will go back like this. I will click like in a back. Or maybe I can directly want to go into the root folder. I will go here. This is the way you can come forward and you can go backward by clicking here. Okay. Now I want to work on the desktop. Just I'm going into the desktop. On the desktop, I want to create a folder for you. Okay, this is my desktop files. In this through this Jupyter Notebook, you can open like several things. Maybe if you want to open your Excel sheets in your computer, you can open it here also with this environment also. Maybe some pictures, everything you can open it. Some PDF documents, some PDF, not all PDF documents. some types of PDF documents, some doc files you can open it, some photos you can open it, your personal videos you can open it, like all things you can open through the Jupyter Notebook. And now I want to create one folder for you here. So what I'm doing here, if I want to create a folder, there is a right side. You can see here, this is the right side. Here there is like an upload new. Okay, I'm creating like a new folder for you. So that is the reason I am opening here new, and I'm creating like a folder here. I can create a Python file. I can also create a text file. I can also create like a folder under terminal. So right now I need like in one folder, just clicking on the folder. So if I put that clicking, it will be opened like an untitled folder here. You can see here, untitled folder 1, untitled folder 2. Already untitled folder 1, I have different file already I have. So maybe untitled folder has been created now. This is the folder just now it is created. You can see here a seconds ago it is created. Which one is created? Untitled folder 2 has been created in just a seconds back. So this is the folder I created, but I want to put it on my name. This folder I want to put it on my name. So what I do, I want to rename it here. You can see just I will click here and I will go here top and I can see like a rename button. Just I will click it here. Instead of having untitled folder 2, maybe I'm putting like my own name. This is like December 2021 batch. Morning time batch. This is the way I'm creating a folder for you. I renamed it here. Okay. Now you can check it where it is. December S. It will. Yeah, you can see these all the folders are sorted in the alphabetical order. You can see here. This is the just now we created a folder. A minute ago only we created. So now I'm going inside. In this folder, now I want to open a file. I want to create a Python file. Yes. So if I want to create a Python file, I can go here. You can check my path. This is the main folder to desktop folder. Under the desktop, I'm working in this December 2021 morning batch time. Now I'm creating like a new here. I'm creating a Python file here. So if I click here Python 3, it will be created one file in a new window. You can see this is the new window. It is open. And a new tab is opened. In this new tab, a Python file is open. Now you can write it your code here. Okay. So how I created, and you can see under the desktop, December 2021 morning batch we created. Maybe I can go here into my file. There is untitled. This is my file name. I will click on it. It will open like another one. Then I can rename my file. Maybe this is the introduction file. Introduction. So then I put it like a rename. That means you can see this is the file name has been changed with the introduction. You can check it here. It is also saved here. And if you want to go to the file explorer also, you can see here introduction.ipyn. Immediately it is changing like in all the places. This file name I have updated here. Or maybe you can also update from here also. Just you can right click here and you can whatever you want to put it like in a file name. You can do it. But when you are renaming it through the file explorer, you must close the file this close because it is under using as. Now I created my file here and I put my file name also. After that, you can see here there is a file. This is like in a toolbar we are having file, all the Microsoft Excel like that. All the file open, rename, make a copy, save the file, print to preview, download. Maybe you want to download this file into different format. You can do it. There is like an edit also. You can copy it and paste it somewhere. Everything. This is like similar like you can merge the cells. A lot of things you can do here. You can view the outputs also here. Maybe you can toggle the outputs if you don't want it. Then if you want to insert a new cell, maybe cell above or maybe below, you can do it here. There are like cells. Run all the cells. A particular cell you want to run a particular program. You can select it and you can run all these things. Okay, kernels also we have. Sometimes we have like kernels. That means our server. Sometimes it will be busy. Sometimes it will be stuck to somewhere. In these cases, instead of running that much of time, you can interrupt the kernels and you can restart your kernels also. Okay, so this is the way you have like a lot of things with gates also and the help also. If you want to see like how what is the tour map, okay, everything you can check it here. Okay, what is the sci-fi reference, numpy reference, matplotlib, all the references also you can check it. And if you want to know like keywords, sorry, keyboard shortcuts, then you can check it here in the help button also. So this is the interface we are having here, and this is like shortcut keys. This is the toolbar. Maybe you want to do all these things, but some of the shortcut keys are also here. If you want to cut the cell, just you can cut this symbol, move the cells, copy the cells, like the same functions whatever we have here. Some shortcut keys they have released here also. Now, what is this? This is a cell. We call this is a cell. Now you can see when I put it in the cell, this is a cell. If I want to write something in my code, I can write it down here. Okay, what is I am writing here? For example, A is equal to 10. B is equal to 15.5. Okay, I want to write a program that print A plus B. So if I run this one, my answer also appearing here itself. So this is the advantage here. What is the advantage in the particular Jupyter notebook? You are running the cell. The answer is your output will printed just below your cell. Just below your cell. This is one cell and this is one program. Maybe I want to run like another program. Maybe I put like x is equal to 100, y is equal to 15, y is equal to 75 maybe. Then your answer could be print. You are printing like x minus 5. So of course the same answer is coming. Okay, maybe I will change it here. 55. Answer will be 45. So this is the first answer. This is the second answer. And yesterday I said Python we are using in a Python programming. It will use like an interpreter, not compiler. So interpreter will run line by line execution. First it will run like in the first line, second line, third line. If you restart it, again you can see this is the programs it has been coming here. If you want to run again, it will run from